Episode 253, Mickey, the second NWR safety engine. One day, Sir Topham Hatt was just finishing up his lunch break when Emily came in after helping to clear up an accident. Hello, Emily. How's my safety engine doing? I'm a little exhausted. I have to go help clean another accident that I just heard about. I've been dealing with this ever since I became the safety engine of this railway. It would be nice to have a partner. Lucky for you, I was able to save a steam engine from scrap. He's the same basis as Edward. And here he comes now. I'd like you to meet Mickey. Coming into the station was a Furnace Railway K-12 tender engine like Edward, except he was in the original livery. Hello there. I'm Mickey. I'm the second safety engine to the Northwestern Railway. Oh, nice. I'm Emily, the first safety engine. Just then, Edward pulled up behind Sir Topham Hatt. Hello, sir. Do you know where my next train is? Then he looked over at Mickey and gasped. Mickey, I thought you were scrapped. Hello, Edward, my little brother. Wait, Edward, Mickey is your brother? Of course he is. He's one of my older brothers, as well as Frederick. Well, it's nice to have your older brother here. And don't worry, I'll go and take care of your accident. And with that, Mickey went off to find the breakdown train to help clean up on the second accident. And with that, Emily took Rocky back to the sidings, and Sir Topham Hatt went back to work, and so did Edward on the Northwestern Railway.